Mum says I have to go on your walks from now on.
Elyce is my little sister, but me and her have some clashes in personality. She likes to kick balls, and I like to choose filters on Instagram. And why would you say a thing like that?
I don't know, maybe because you've been ignoring me my whole life and I would want some form of respect from my peers or something like that. I don't know, I'm just a 10-year-old.
No, I don't think that's it. Maybe it's got something to do with the fact that you're paying to have in the house. Every play date you've ever been on has banned you from their home.
Yeah, probably.
Journal entry number 17. Elyce has so far said 124 words, and no one since has questioned her sudden change of behavior. I believe that after the accident of her saying the word, her mind has physically filled up with so much knowledge. I will try to understand this phenomenon by journal entry number 20. Oh my god.
The very idea that you would threaten to burn the complete encyclopedia of vegetables is quite frankly disgusting to me.
Can I go on your walk with you or not?
Fine.
Well, okay. If you want me to go on your walk so much with you, we have to go there.
What do you mean if I want to come with you? You're the one who asked me!
That's a little too on the nose, dear. Come on, you'll ruin it.
Drop bear!
Drop bears aren't real.
Well, it was something, that's for sure.
Probably just an echidna or something.
Oh.
Or a snake.
A snake!
Come on! Come on! You get up and you can lift it. It's going to What's that?
Sweet mother of my refrigerated lettuce!
Well, some people may say it's creepy for a young Indian boy to be following a 17-year-old girl and her 10-year-old sister. Well, I've got one thing to say to those people. You are a dirty racist!
Come on, this is the last time I'm going to tell you. Both ways lead out.
But the animals will stop us!
You're the one that's always saying you love animals. Wait, who's that?
Are you okay, miss?
Me? Did you just sexually harass me? Is that sexual harassment, you white trash?
As you can see, Amelia has become utterly useless due to the heat the stench, and her own ridiculousness. Which leaves me to keep us alive till we get out of this bushwalk.
I think I need some help.
Well, due to the severity of this situation, I will need to call on someone who I will not usually ever call on.
Who called me?
Well, my stupid friend has gotten herself stuck and I require you to save her.
What shall I get in return?
Well, I found this
Ooh.
in your bushland.
Okay.
Don't touch me!
Oh, come on.
Well, as you can see, I have no assistance to help your sister.
Can I?
But, as you know what they say, finders keepers, losers weepers.
It is. Well, the Wamapoke are interesting people. Their traditions are guilting white people and stealing. Oh.
So, what am I supposed to do now?
Drop back!
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Quick! Quick! Oh my god! Oh my god! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me!
Help me, Amelia!
No way!
Huh. Look at you. You made it out of there.
Yeah, I did. I single-handedly laid a stepping stone for all women across the globe. Wait a minute.
What?
I forgot my purse.
You don't have a purse.
Well, it's in
Well, go get it then.
there! No way am I going back in there with the drop bear!
I might have made the drop bear up to get you out of there.
Well, that just makes you a liar, which makes it all the more reason that you should go in and get it.